bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Align Motions, and today in this video we are going to learn how to use vector mask and what is vector mask. Actually, vector mask is the mask in which the white area is visible and the black area or dark area is visible or hides from your image. So let's come to the example. I'm gonna to select the subject, make a selection. So go to select subject. You see our subject is selected. To make a mask, just click here. You see, if I hides my image, you see here the white area is our subject and it is visible, but black area that is outside the subject is not visible. So let's to make it different, just select a solid color adjustment layer and set any color to background and bring it to down. Here you can see our mask is ready, and this is called vector mask or mask. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe the channel and share it also. Thank you.